Today I'm going to change the Raycor fuel filters on our main engines. You gonna grab me a trash bag? So it's a Raycor fuel filter. It separates water from fuel. This is what the filter looks like inside. We're just going to give it a quick change real quick. Just take the top off. Dirty as you can see. There's two rings inside of this. One of them for this handle, so I'll replace that. The other one goes inside here. No room for a cap. Take our new filter. You can tell the top because it's got the handles on it. So when you pull it out, push that down in place. Pick and you're going to swap out the old one. Put your new one on. This is diesel. I poured it in a little bottle here. You want to make sure and lubricate your seal. So right now there's fluid, there's diesel in here, but it's not all the way to the top. You want to fill this all the way to the top. That's the main purpose of having this bottle of diesel right here. Got that guy filled to the top. Keep it on. That's it. You can do the same thing on the other one over here. This one is for this engine, that one is for this one. So every engine's a little bit different. My engines, it says to the manufacturer recommendations to change them every 200 hours. If you have dirtier fuel or you don't run your engine as often, you may have to change them more often because they'll clog easier. They will also, the more you run it, usually the cleaner your fuel stays because you're putting new fuel in all the time. It doesn't have time to get growth or algae or water in it. So it's really different for every person. Check your manufacturer and then think about how you use it. Check with the mechanic if you're not sure 100%. Thanks again for watching our How To Tuesdays, where we talk about how to and I show you the different road projects that we're doing. Don't forget to check us out on our Friday, our family video, where we show you what the big adventure is. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you on Friday.